So, cold showers, effective or not? Should you do them or not? Here's a simple thing. I'm gonna tell you some benefits of the cold shower. So, first of all, cold shower improves your mood. They boost your dopamine. And guess what? If you're feeling depressed, you're gonna be feeling less depressed. You know why? Because as I said, they boost your mood, they make you more happy. And guess what? That's not all. They wake you up. That's why a lot of people do them in the morning. And one of the reasons why it's not recommended doing it at the night, but we're gonna talk about this a bit later. So, that's not all. It even helps with your cardiovascular system. So like if you were like you had some chances to get a cardiovascular disease, it's gonna lower them a bit. I'm not saying it's gonna remove them, but it's gonna lower them a bit. That's another benefit. And guess what? A lot of people do cold showers after the gym, after working out. But is this good? No. The answer is no. Like, it does help with muscle soreness. So the next morning, if you do them like you work out and then you come home and you were about to go to sleep. So if you were to take a cold shower before going to sleep after the workout, yes, the next day you wake up, you're gonna be less sore. But that's not all. You're gonna be less sore, but with less gains. Because it doesn't just stop the soreness, it like helps the process of recovery. It speeds it up. But it doesn't speed it up like, oh, quickly build more muscle. It just speeds it up with like recovery, just heal the old ones. And so, you know, because it's faster, the process means less time for more muscle to be made. And that means less gains. It's not necessarily a lot of less gains, but it's like, you know, a bit less gains. So like, you can do that if you wanted to, right? So you're less sore. But I don't do it personally because, we gotta grind, mate. We gotta gain as much as possible. But that doesn't matter right now. So anyways, cold showers. I fucking love that shit. It wakes you up, so it's really good in the morning. Imagine, you wake up. You may be feeling a bit down or not so energized, or maybe during the day you're not so energized, right? Guess what? Go take a cold shower. You're feeling down, go take a cold shower. You're feeling depressed, go take a cold shower. 30 seconds, 1 minute. Turn it to the maximum cold. And I guarantee you when you go out, you're gonna be like, woo! Let's go! Right? So, I mean, that's at least me, right? But like, I promise you, you're not gonna be feeling down when you get out. That's a promise from me. That's a promise from me. And I don't usually make promises, but like, I swear to God, if you're the kind of a guy that comes out of the shower and still feel hopeless, write me a message, mate. Right under this video, because I don't believe you. No one's gonna write that under the video. You'll see. Anyways, unless they're faking, of course, yeah. But anyways, so that's it for the cold showers. They're really good. Recommended, especially in the mornings. Stay hard.